the inside.
Alright, this is Indy race, right?
Yep.
Bro, why does his Dogecoin one look so good?
Wait, so I can
Because
race,
it-
right?
Yeah.
Why is my wheel spinning?
Zombie, who are you using?
Pulse.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Where's
Bro,
the-
someone move up.
These cars are
Zach,
like no
guys,
clip.
stop moving.
These
I really
cars
like
are
the
no
Among
clip.
Us car. Agreed. That's pretty
These cars
sweet.
have no clip. Wait, okay, 40 pits every 10. How many pits do we have to do?
These cars
40
tires have no
laps.
collision.
No, they can touch. They can touch. Trust me. There's vision lag also. I just want to go and say that.
Oh, there's lag,
okay.
you say.
2 mandatory pit stops. 50, 60 miles per hour.
And you don't have to go in a pit box. Hold on. And you don't have to go in a pit box. Just
Yo, good, no.
go through pit road.
I wonder if I can
Hold on,
do
let
that.
me.
Ready.
Wait.
Hold on,
Yes.
you didn't let mine pop up. You didn't let mine pop up.
Hapatakataka. Hapatakatata.
Shut
Chris, stop
up.
reconnecting!
I can't run the car.
Zach, back up. I can't get
I
in.
can't.
Oh, there we go.
I can't. Alright, this is very chaotic already.
I'm telling you, this race is not gonna be good. So I'm not even gonna count this even if I win.
This is gonna be fun.
Oh, stop interrupting my typing.
No.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, you ready?
Uno, dos,
I'm ready.
tres.
Alright, let's get this going for the, we never gave this race a name. The IDK Indy Series 250,
Audi
I guess.
A.
The
Default.
Taco Bell
Three,
shit penis race
one.
of the year.
Green flag!
Go.
Green flag in the air.
Go
Where's it
Dogecoin.
go?
Come on,
Who is
Dogecoin.
that?
Oh,
You retard!
There's
Someone
vision
stopped
lag.
me.
It's a vision lag.
someone stop me, okay?
Zach and Noonan having issues early on.
Vision lag. Vision lag. Vision lag. Vision lag. Vision lag.
It's fine,
Yellow
the car's
or
wrong.
no?
No cautions. No cautions this race.
First
Really, no
lap.
cautions.
And some drivers are having really bad days already.
It's because the vision lag. There's no cautions.
Zombie, what the fuck? This may have been a bad idea, I don't know.
He's got
Vision,
some
I'm telling you,
speed.
vision lag is bad.
Wait, when do pits open?
Never.
Oh, darn it.
Oh yeah, there is no draft either.
I know.
Oh my god.
I can't believe that person stopped me from going. It's fine.
No, Highline draft works.
Highline draft doesn't work. in
Yes, it
these
does.
cars.
Yes, it does. Remember, it does. Forza.
No, it
remember?
doesn't.
Remember Forza? It does.
Oh, shh. I wrecked.
Oh, it does. Ah, ha, ha. You
Bro, stop driving on the apron, whoever that
It's
is.
kind of fun. Obviously, excusing the no cautions rule.
I go gas. I go gas.
Alright.
Well, then there would just
Yellow,
be cautions
yellow,
every
yellow,
lap.
yellow.
What? No.
I wrecked.
I know,
Too
but there would be
bad.
cautions every
Caution
there's
is
just
I
out.
be
spun
cautions
and then
every
I got
lap.
pinged by Erden.
Too bad. I don't care if there's caution. I'm gonna go.
This race, I'll just wait in the back. Or, no, I guess I gotta go around again.
Wait, so are we stopping or no?
Yeah, stop on
We're
pit.
stopping next
stop
time,
At, start at SF. Start at SF.
Okay.
Stop at SF.
Caution.
And stop.
2 caution. Because I flipped. Just kidding. Anyway, I spun out.
Zach, race. Zach, race.
So there is a go boom.
Please respond.
Oh
I
my
told
God.
you
Erden's gotta respawn, man.
My car is confused.
Hey, who is that in the caterpillar? Hey. Forza.
I guess I'm in front.
Forza.
Erden, you gotta respawn, man.
Hey, Forza.
What? Don't
Wait,
go.
wait, wait.
Please respond.
Why is
Forza,
it so
please
slippery?
respond. I
Why
showed
is it
you
so
my...
slippery?
Alright, well, we're going, I guess.
Oh, 5,
Okay.
4,
Forza,
2.
Go.
please respond. I showed you my...
Are we
USB
going?
code.
I guess
Go.
so.
I guess
We-
we're going.
Sure.
Go,
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 let's go.
Let's go!
I guess we're going.
Go. Oh my
Then I'm
goodness.
taking a shortcut.
Dude, the freaking Panda Express car.
I'm not complaining.
Your mom is a Panda Express.
This race should be counted.
That's really mean.
This race should
This
be
is
counted.
raging so fucking hard.
This race should be counted, guys. I like IndyCar
I'm
much
at
better.
100 mile per hour.
Only 100? Whoa! Guys, careful.
What the
There's a Ray boy on the
Oh my god! Uh-oh. Someone just died.
Yes.
loose.
Well, I can't go.
I swear, if Ray boy stops me, I'm going caution.
Okay, zombie, I gotta go. You're gonna have to manage the Indy race while I go. I'm going.
Zach,
Nice.
you are big newbie.
That's really offensive.
Zombie.
Why are
How
they-
is that offensive?
Zombie!
Really mean, and
But it's,
it's targeting people.
Wait, so pit's open
And-
at lap 10?
so some people are noobs. Newbie.
That's the. Are you
Shit,
saying the N word right now?
Yes, he is. Ray
I
boy
have
says
to
he
go.
is.
I'm gonna need you to run the Indy race right now.
Chocolate ball be waiting on me for yo. In the back is Joe. I'm riding shotgun. The driver's a no.
Zombie.
Your mom is an oboe.
Your mom's
Your
an
mom drives an
Opal.
Opel.
An
Your
Opal.
father drives an Opel.
Actually, Opal was
Drive
one of
an
the first
Opel.
cars
Guys,
ever
just
made.
shut up for 5 seconds. Zombie.
Oh my bad.
Hi, guys.
Zombie!
He fell asleep.
Bruh.
I turned the race.
Zach.
Yeah.
Can you manage the Indy race? Because I have to go.
Okay, exactly how do I do this again?
Just like call cautions if people wrecking stuff. Also, Budgie is like stuck, so that's a yellow.
Wait, why? Okay.
And then just make sure people do their 2 mandatory. How many did I say? 2 mandatory pit stops.
Yeah, 2 pit stops. Open
I
everything.
did 1 mandatory pit stop.
Alright, everyone stop at the line.
And who's gonna
And
come
then just
first?
send me the
on
finishing results
Alright,
from
Can
the
I
leaderboard.
do the commentary?
stop. No, if you want, sure. Alright, why can't I move?
And 69 crosses the line, following into the 2nd place. The 69 falls into the 2nd place behind Zach.
I thought we were stopping.
Yeah, we are doing caution.
Yeah, we were. I am 2nd,
So I will be back soon. See you guys.
gonna just
I'm somehow in
park.
first place, I don't know how. Yeah, park right next to me, I guess, if you're in 2nd. Alright, whoever's in 55, go behind us. I don't know who that is.
I'm 3rd.
Alright, is everyone just racing here?
Among Us.
Alright,
As the 96 and the 69 now line up
Oh.
both.
Who's that? Who just ran by?
That's no idea. I think it's the Oh Lord Not Again guy, Christopher.
Christopher Herpes? Wait, yeah, Herpes.
Herpes Reese.
Her piss.
As they now begin revving on the starting line.
I kind of want to
They
drive the
wait
Peppa
for
Pig car.
a call.
Okay,
He's
who is
still
that person?
racing.
Who is that person?
Okay,
I'm gonna
kick
ban
him, kick him.
What's his username?
Hold on
What's
one sec. I have
His
no idea.
I
username
think it's,
is
I think it's Lord Not Again. Wait, no, get back here. Get back here.
yeah, it's
I'm
Oh
just doing that
Lord.
second.
Okay, I'll just kick him.
Do kick. Oh,
Wait,
do
let's.
that man.
Okay.
Yeah, kick all.
Kick all. Okay. Oh. Okay, that should.
Well, let's see who
Watch
it is. Oh shit, that's his.
That wasn't him.
It's the corpse of his car. It was him.
As
It
the
was
drivers
him.
now line up, they wait
Okay,
for the green flag
So
in
I
the
don't actually
air.
know how to run the thing, so I'm just gonna tell you guys. how to-
Forza, can I be let back again?
Okay. I actually
Forza
don't know.
is currently passed away.
Oh Lord.
Oh wait, hold on. Is he not? He's not able to do it?
Kept
Okay, I
Why
can
are
do
you
it.
so out of breath?
Because I just ran. Here, I can do it. I have admin. Just let me host it. I won't race. I'll just host.
Yep. Okay, you can just host. Yeah. 'Cause I
Okay.
you. Yeah. No, you weren't. You were driving. You were.
Hold on, I'm doing it.
Driving.
Hey, just do the countdown. Ignore him.
Alright.
Yeah, what
Okay, I
lap are
gotta
you
ask,
on?
what's the command to run the lap thing?
What lap are you on? What lap are you
Do
on?
lap all
CD5.
something.
Wait,
No,
what?
I got it. I got it.
CD5?
I got
Alright.
it. I got it.
No,
Okay.
no, CD5 is the countdown.
Okay, who did that?
7 there.
Change
Excuse
all
me.
laps
Wait,
No,
no,
I
7.
dude,
got
I'm
it.
literally
I
in the
got
lead.
it.
Alright.
I got it.
I
Just
have
let me do
Tourette's,
it.
guys.
Okay. 10 there.
Shut up, that's fake.
No, it's real.
Okay.
Crap. Hold on. Don't do it. Don't go. Don't. Okay, actually, no, we're good.
4, 3,
3, 2.
And
Oh,
green flag up in the air as the
oh
drivers
Lord,
now
not
drive
again.
on.
If
The
someone named
69
Oh
having an
Lord.
amazing start.
What?
As the 96 follows
Who
behind
stopped
us,
me?
there's
Who
a
stopped me? Okay, that's a
vehicle on the
caution.
Just
road.
go,
That's a
Zach.
car.
Just go. No,
I
it's not a
can't.
caution. Just go.
I can't.
It's not a
A
caution.
false start is not
No.
caution
Okay,
worthy.
whatever.
As the 69 speeds up
I hate
with
that.
the 96 trying to
Whoever
keep
caused
up
that
with the
caution, I'm
That's
gonna
69.
not the
find.
96 on the 55. You
No, there's no
retard.
caution. No caution.
No, the caution earlier, because they made us restart. Not. All right, whatever.
There's no caution.
As the 69 passes into first place.
I cannot believe.
As Arden is trying to catch.
All right, I'll have to catch him. I don't think I can though. Oh, I'm drifting. Oh, that. I hate this handling.
Fire. It was always burning since the world's been turning. We didn't start the fire.
What?
Shut up. No one cares.
Boom, as Budgie now into third with Zach following in fourth.
Whoever caused that caution earlier.
69 crosses first again onto lap 9
Not first.
with
Wait, was there a
Second now.
caution?
1/4 of the race already
It's not a
been
caution
done.
right now.
What happened?
And now the
No, I didn't see it happen. What happened? What
55
happened?
is catching up to the 69.
I,
Oh, and he passes the 69.
Oh
There's
yeah, no,
visual
that's right.
lag
That's
right
right.
now. There's a lot of
I know.
visual lag.
There's always a vision lag. There's always a vision
And
lag.
caution is out.
40
Caution
meters
is
ahead
out.
of you on my screen.
Oh my god, why is
I know there's always vision lag. I already told you this.
And the
everyone stop.
69 wins the
No,
race back.
slow down.
Or
Arden
the
got it.
55
Arden
wins the
got it.
race back with the
Yeah.
69 in second place.
Yeah, we're doing caution.
I know we're doing caution touch, but okay, whatever.
I just if I see someone pass, I'm gonna make sure to.
Is that Zach talking?
Yeah.
Alright, just let me control it, okay? I got it.
Zach, move back.
Uh.
The 55 is supposed to line up.
Okay, I did not. No.
Arden, pass the line. Arden, pass the line. I'm gonna have to fix your laps. Yeah. Hold on, let me just change all laps to.
He was on lap 11. Yeah.
Did everybody pass the line?
I
Zach,
think so.
pass the line.
Yeah.
There.
As they now line up, waiting for the
It's all
green
laps,
flag
yeah.
to fly into the air.
I'm just gonna keep my distance.
Alright, hold on, let me get countdown.
Alright.
9,
8,
8,
7,
7,
6,
6,
5,
5,
4,
4,
3,
3, 2, 1. 0 as the green flag is up in the air again with the 69 taking lead with a heavy start. A good one, I mean. As there's the 55 tries to catch up again.
Oh, that. So there's a lag spike, and I just got spun
We
out.
know, we
69
know.
now
we know.
begins to...
And that just spun me
I
out.
saw you spin out. Just keep going.
I know. Just this is very laggy. I was even in the lead, which sucks. I was in the lead earlier today.
As the 55 now passes the 69, going into first place. The 69 does not seem happy about this and is gonna try to overtake the 55. As the 55 keeps merging into a lane. And the 55 is first again over the lap. with the 69 struggling to overtake.
Oh, wow. This is dumb. This race is dumb. Alright. Oh, are pits open?
Oh crap! I forgot about that. Yeah, pits
Oh
open.
yeah,
Pits open.
pits are open.
Yeah. Okay.
You have to pit before lap 15.
Before lap 15? Okay.
Yeah.
Before the lap counter says 15?
No, this is
or
gonna be my
before we get
69
15?
goes into the pits for the second time.
Alright.
First time. First time.
First time.
First time.
Oh, I spun. Okay.
I mean, first time, yeah.
Oh, the mile per hour for the pits is 60, you said? Yeah, it is.
Oh yeah, y'all sped. Gaming Budgie and Rayboy. Penalty.
Oh, my bad.
We just gotta drive through, don't we? Because...
And you're not supposed to go in your box.
Don't we have to
when you
go at
to
60
this.
miles per hour?
Hold on.
He said you
Caution,
Caution,
60.
everybody get back bunched up. We're not gonna do mandatory pit
Caution
stops.
is in the air.
Yeah, not mandatory. No mandatory pit
Alright.
pops.
Pit pops. Alright, everyone race back.
Well, why my ear aches so bad? I think I got a fever.
Yay. Okay, how do you have fever if your ear is itching? Oh, is that an advertisement board?
Happy
As the
birthday!
69 now goes
Snore
over the... As the 69 now finishing first by the caution lap.
Alright. Oh, are we still doing
The pit
caution?
speed is 60 miles per hour, is it not?
No, it's not. They didn't set it, but... Oh, wait, do we stop?
No, there's no
So
more.
I just went through
more
the
pit stops.
pits.
No more
I
pit
just went
stops.
through the
No more.
pits.
Line with
Going 60 miles per hour for no reason.
96 following.
Wait, no, dude, we're doing caution, right? Okay.
No more pit stops?
Yep, no more pit stop.
Budgie, turn back around. Oh my gosh, Budgie!
What the
Okay, we're gonna line up like that, I guess.
What the heck, bro?
Alright, okay. Okay, I guess we're all...
So we can go as fast as humanly possible through the pits.
There's no more pit stops.
Oh, okay.
Slow down, don't you dare ruin this formation. He's just like ready to cause an explosion. Ooh, I can do not destroy all.
Nuke all.
Oh,
No.
my bad, Budgie. I didn't mean to do that.
As the engines are revving, they wait for the green flag to
Oh yeah,
come
how
to
do you
the-
rev? What are the controls?
Click
for
M
revving?
and then
Just trust me, Budgie.
M.
Wait, throttle's up? Wait, I can turn on my throttle?
9,
What's up?
5,
Tell me if y'all crash, cause I gotta throw away my.
3, 2,
1.
1.
The green flag goes
Go.
into the air as the 69 makes a rapid go for the finish line.
I better
As
not get spun out,
the
'cause that
28
last fight-
begins troubling the
come on.
69 and the 55 having a huge battle. Oh, the 55 takes second place with the 28 going first. As the 69 struggles to keep up, will he make it or will he not?
I'm not even that wax spike is stupid.
Oh, and the 69 struggles to get on the track. And the 69 spins out into the
Who's
pit
doing that
lane.
ASMR breathing in VC? Okay, just stop. No,
And the 69
no.
is now in
No,
last.
no, I'm going to mute you. I'm going to
Alright,
mute
I'll chill. I'll chill.
You better.
The 69 is now struggling to keep up after we fan out.
Oh my goodness, the 55 killing the... What number is that? The 28? Yeah, the 28.
Oh, come on. Oh,
There's nothing else to say. He's tailgating him.
Is out, the
And he's
96
tailgating
slams
some
into
more.
the wall.
He's trying to go on the inside some more because there's no draft in this game because it sucks. And he's just trying to gain speed little by little, trying to gain on his butt. And Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is so incredible.
Black man, stop cutting.
I can't.
Ah!
I have off handling.
Ray boy, stop cutting.
Okay. I'm really desperate, man.
Okay, I spun out because of lag spikes only. That's the only reason I'm losing.
Stop cutting.
I'm trying.
Cutting!
Yes, you are, Ray boy. I literally watch you. And you just hit the
I'm
wall on purpose.
spinning out.
I literally watch you hit it on purpose.
I didn't!
I'm spectating you.
Halfway through the race.
On purpose.
Just tell me if you're wrecked, because I'm watching the back battle.
Okay.
I don't know who I passed, but
Ray boy, for some reason, he's going really slow.
oh, he might have. Sometimes there's an issue where the car doesn't accelerate fully.
Bungie. God dang, this is hard. They need to add draft
Ray
with
boy,
these
stop
Indy
cutting.
cars.
Whoa! What the? How did he catch up to me?
Oh,
I was going
caution.
at max speed. I was going at max speed. How did he catch up to me?
Caution is out.
Wait, I was going at max speed. How did he catch up to me?
Oh, I'm gonna start racing. Because this is kind of boring just to watch it, and it's not the best racing ever, because it's IndyCar.
Why
So.
don't you
And
commentate?
the 6-9 crosses the line.
No, it's not gonna make it better. The IndyCar series I already told him it's not gonna work, and it hasn't worked out yet. But he's just gonna keep it. So
He's got to add draft, dude.
he's really not gonna work out. Vision lag's too bad.
Yeah, that too.
So yeah, I mean, honestly, I don't know if y'all count y'all's road racing stats or not. But if y'all do, I wouldn't count this race. But that's y'all's choice.
Yeah, it's a different.
I'm in the hot
Can
seat
you
right now.
change
I'm not
all
even. I don't
laps
even have a
to
team.
21?
Okay, change your left turn lane, Chris.
I am.
Okay, this is like.
21.
Yeah, you can get really good draft with the chassis.
Oh, you can.
Budgie, that's literally like what the draft is. It's like it works with chassis.
Oh my
Because
goodness!
a lot of people use messes.
God damn, you
If you
really had to
wreck,
ruin
tell me,
it?
but do not wreck on purpose. If you wreck on purpose, it will be a penalty. I don't care what you say.
7, 6, 5,
Oh.
4, 3, 2, 1, go! Excuse me.
The restart is so crucial because it takes forever to get up to speed.
Yeah.
It does.
If I didn't win that car. All right. Oh, dude, that was Oh, that person's spinning out on her.
On my screen, he's not even touching me. He's like
He's drifting. He's drifting.
Who's drift? Oh my god! I wonder if you know
How
when
is
you
he
live
going
in
so
Tokyo,
fast?
when you see it and you beat it, then you know you have to go.
How is he
Fast and
going so fast?
Furious! Oh!
when he spins out, caution.
Oh, he spun out. Oh, another caution. Okay.
Caution is out.
Just race back, race back, race back.
I love how we're all just continuing with the lap. Oh, come on. Oh. I'm glad there's caution. Because I just spun out.
Dame.
As who will win the race back? It looks like the 55 will win because the A69 is not going to be able to get a run off the
Dude,
corner.
there's a caution. There's literally.
Because I'm so gangster.
55 wins it back. Actually, it
Wait,
doesn't matter
what?
because we
But
keep.
he was
No,
behind
it doesn't
me.
matter. It doesn't matter, and it's vision lag.
It's vision lag! Just pay attention to the leaderboard, that's all that
My
matters.
car just broke down or something. What the hell? My car broke down. It's in neutral permanently. What? My car's broken.
Alright. Oh, sorry about that.
Oh, just reset your car.
wrist.
Okay.
Is everybody on the lead lap? No. Okay, hold on. Let me change laps. Change laps. 22.
Bro, like I was drifting. Okay, whose background noise is that? Golden Rocks.
I think that's mine. Hold on, wait, pause, can I,
Yeah.
close my door really quick before we count down?
No one leave on countdown. No one leave on countdown. Never mind. No one leave on countdown. No.
He's not
Bro.
listening.
Okay, everyone's listening.
Are you stupid?
Yes. Wait, that's
That's
not
my
me.
mom.
Okay.
Sorry if you hear any background noise. I can't deal with that.
Alright, that's fine.
I close my door so less
Dude, I'm
noisy.
hot, bro.
Okay,
Wait,
this
not
one you
yet.
can leave on.
Okay.
This one you can leave on. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Why'd you guys leave at 5?
The countdown
You
went
didn't
at
leave it on
0.
5.
I left at
Everyone
0.
left at,
What
like,
do you
I
mean?
left at 0.
For me,
I
everyone
left
I
at
left
left
0.
at 0.
Oh, my countdown was like 2 seconds behind then. That's fine. Okay, this is very
Oh.
buggy.
Bro, Ray Boy, why are you going up into me?
What do you mean?
Hey, what the flip,
I'm
man?
not.
What the flip?
Ray
I'm
Boy, you're
not.
going up into me. Stop.
I am not.
Yes, you
It's
are.
vision lag. It's vision
It's
lag.
a visual
It's
bug.
lag.
I know.
Gee, you're
Guys,
so
stop
dumb.
complaining. It's vision lag.
Hey guys, what the heck, man?
Ah!
Oh!
Gosh. Wait, no, caution, I saved it.
Oh, you saved it? Okay.
But I am gonna cut just to catch up because that was kind of dumb.
You're not allowed to cut, I don't think.
And then you bitch Ryan to
I know, I was
stop
kidding.
cutting.
I know, I'm kidding.
Stop
Hey,
cutting.
no,
I'm not
no
actually gonna
cutting.
cut.
No cutting. I don't see any cutting vibes, so I'll go yell at people for cutting.
Who was Ryan?
I have no idea.
Ryan,
Oh,
no
Rayon.
cutting.
Oh.
Zombie, no.
That's me.
I really hope that. Okay. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
I see that person cutting right there. I don't know who it is.
Who?
But I see them. It was for like 1 second. I think they just spun out, but it looks like they were. Actually, it looks like they might be.
Oh
cutting.
no no!
Oh, someone got wiped out. Okay, I'm in second now.
That was me. I freaking spun out and
Oh, caution.
got decked by the wall.
Caution.
Okay.
I like went over a freaking bump or something. I don't know what that was.
And I'm first again.
Okay, I'm right behind you.
Woo!
The only reason you're ahead of me is because you left earlier than
I
did.
have high hopes I might win this.
Maybe.
These Indy cars are a lot faster and a lot better, but the
they're very
lag
different.
is
No,
short.
They're very
Or
different.
If there was no vision lag, it would be better. But there's vision lag.
there's-
Yeah, that.
No,
Yeah, we should just race in
no.
NASCAR, honestly.
NASCAR, IndyCar.
NASCAR on
Indy
Indianapolis 500.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Okay. Okay. Alright, it's good. Oh, you're
Oh wait,
racing.
no. Everybody's laps aren't good. Don't go.
Wait,
Don't
actually,
go.
yeah, no one go, no one go.
Okay. What's going on?
No one go. Other laps. Alright, yeah, the laps aren't fixed.
What the hell happened to my playlist? Hold up.
Your mom had put on your
I can help.
playlist.
I can help you, zombie. I was giving admin, so I can help you.
And
I can do it.
squish and squid. I want to Skittles gummies. Damn. That looks good. Okay. You can go now.
Okay.
Why is it not entering?
Uh,
Oh, I got.
What the hell?
Bro, what?
Who shut it down?
Who's in there?
That
Wait, what?
Random guy.
Oh no.
Ram
Oh
Ranch.
no.
guys.
Equals is messing with somebody. Something. Dadgummit.
Alright,
Bro, who
everyone
shut it
enjoy.
down?
I just,
Equals, what the
No,
hell?
random's not even on.
oh,
What the
okay.
flippin'
Now I-
chip, man? What the heck?
Now I feel bad for
Equals,
being
stop
late.
messing with the track. We're doing a race.
Yeah, equal. We're literally doing a race. Okay.
Everybody join back.
Alright.
I know the
Everybody
laps.
join back. We are all at lap
I know the
25.
laps. I know the laps.
Alright.
We are
Wait,
all at lap
26.
25.
That was weird.
What kind of
What
horse
the hell,
is this?
Equals?
Alright.
Can I get admin or something?
No,
No.
Ray boy, stop asking for it.
Then-
That's all you
then
do is ask for it.
teleport me.
Okay.
Give me admin, please.
I don't care what car. Or no, it
Okay,
has
here's
to. If you don't.
admin.
Well, actually, never mind.
Oh, I gotta find my car again.
Please give me admin.
Okay,
Thank
here
you.
admin.
Yay!
Did everybody join back?
The status of the experience has changed and you no longer have access. Please try again later.
What? I definitely have access.
Is this because I am not an admin? Is it because I'm white?
Yes.
I'm really offended.
No.
Is this because
You
I
should
hate
be able to
European
rejoin
people?
now. You should be
Yes.
able to.
It's about drive. It's about power. We stay hungry. We
Yeah,
live
it-
for an hour.
Shut the fuck
Take
up!
what's wait.
There we go.
Shut the
okay.
fuck up. I'm zombie.
Oh.
Zombie.
Let's just, you know, Technical difficulties, people.
Say I if you've thrown a pot full of hot diarrhea at someone.
What?
I.
Flipped it.
Okay, I'm in. Someone TP me.
Can someone set up the race?
Bro, you're so dumb for that. Bruh.
Technical difficulties.
Alright, boys, let's race.
Alright, everyone line up.
Among Us.
Excuse me, sir. Can I get my laps changed?
So what's the command again? Oh, laps.
I have no idea.
No, I got it.
Shut the hell up! He's got it!
Okay,
Shut the hell up.
I'm literally the co-owner of the season.
Excuse me.
Shut the hell up.
Oh, why are you? Okay.
Mountain Dew. Whoever's Mountain Dew car, wrong car.
One of these things does not belong.
18, wrong car. Only 1% of gamers can do it.
Golden Shocky.
18.
Oh crap! No,
Never
don't go,
call me
don't
that
go,
again.
don't go, don't go, don't go, do not go, do not go, do not go.
18.
Okay.
No one go. Change car.
No. Oh.
Who's he talking to? There is no 18.
Change
Car
it.
18. Car 18. Mountain Dew.
I'm number 81.
Oh, 81. 81. 81.
Alright, fine, I'll change
I'm
cars.
dyslexic, okay? No, Indy. Indy.
Alright.
idiot.
Let me just look for an Indy car. Ooh, I like this car.
That's
Oh
not.
my.
It was the name of Poop. It was called Poop.
Dude, you are half stupid.
One
You
sec.
are a
Oh, give me a minute. I'm gonna kill 32 people.
Okay,
Alright.
there we go. That's
No, you can't use that one.
Let's
Among
race.
Us.
You can't use that one.
It's fine. I don't think he has an Indy
God
car.
damn it.
He doesn't have an Indy car. Do you have an Indy
Yeah,
car?
I don't have a car.
Okay,
I don't
just
have
use,
one
like,
either.
a-
I'm just using a random
Yeah,
person.
just use a random one.
Alright.
Okay, that's not. What the?
Let's
Does anyone else
race.
see that? Does anyone else see that?
Okay, start. Start. Yeah.
No.
Oh.
Never mind. Don't go, don't go.
No one go. No one go. Technical difficulties.
Go.
Bro. Oh, wait, never mind.
Okay, that's fine.
Alright, let's race.
No. Come back
What
here.
the hell?
Come back here, Ray boy.
This is so dumb.
Ain't no cutting.
I want a different car.
Oh
No!
my god.
Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go.
Actually, we should just give him. We should just let him run like a random car, like D1 or D2, D3. Seriously.
Yes.
No!
Any.
Yeah, just let him
No,
race. Just let him race.
Need
Just let him
decoy.
race.
Don't go.
Wait,
Fine, go.
Wait.
Okay, so we're going. Oh, he's got the acceleration.
He's faster than us, by the way, guys.
Oh wait, that car's faster?
Yeah.
You gotta be kidding me.
Actually, maybe, yeah, it is.
You're the host. You're in charge. You let me do this.
Wait, I just hit
No, I
someone that.
didn't.
what
I literally
the-
was telling you not to.
I'm in the Ford camping series.
Wait, guys, I can't actually move. Wait, what? Wait, I can't.
I think you guys may be faster though.
Guys,
Wait,
I
are we? Oh, yeah, we are. Oh, yeah, we are. Let's
I literally
go.
just started driving now. What the heck? Someone call a caution.
Oh yeah, call a caution, huh? You want me to call a caution?
Yes.
I can't because I'm not a
for some
moderator.
reason, because the lag.
But I can't ram into you. Oh!
Oh,
Shit.
caution. Okay. How are you? I'm about to get lapped. That's not.
Is it caution or
What the-
not?
Caution.
Bro,
There's some
I
Jews
just
in
lost
this
all my
house.
speed
Some
again.
Jews in this house.
yeah, caution. Change all laps.
Race back to the line.
Bro, I lost all my speed twice that round. Okay. Okay, caution. Everyone start back, so I still lap 20, 27.
I'm racing back.
Okay.
Oh, what the?
Oh, it doesn't work.
I finish in first.
Okay, shut up.
Also,
okay.
the lap counter is broken.
Yeah, I think.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Anyway, we have 12 laps to go.
Oh, nice. Yeah, so I'll have 28. Do the
No, we're
counter.
not. We're not on. Hold on. Let me fix this.
Actually, I think we're on lap 26.
Oh my god, stop pushing me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me, go.
Excuse me, sir. He's cheating.
Laps are broken because y'all don't know.
Alright, then I'm gonna corner cut if you can do
I think.
that.
we're good, we're good.
I think he should just be straight up disqualified from the entire race
Bro,
Yes.
oh my gosh, get in
because he's
line.
cheating.
You are cheating.
Okay,
Move,
no.
man, what
Okay,
the
who got
hell?
Okay, who got banned?
It's because of
No,
vision.
don't ban him.
It's 'cause
Don't
of
ban
vision.
him.
It's
You
'cause of
don't.
vision
I
lag.
ban. I ban if I'm gonna ban.
It's because of vision lag, dude. You're awesome.
Okay, everyone, we
Swear
going?
to God.
We going or no?
No, don't
We're
go
going.
because
Okay, no, no,
Rainbow's
no,
not
no.
lined up. Okay, now go.
Okay.
What?
I guess we're going.
Okay.
I guess we're going.
This is the most scuffed race ever. If you count this as a
Yeah.
row racing win, you
I'm gonna
No,
count
it's
this as
not.
a win.
No, this is a different.
Even if I
This
lose.
is a different server anyway, so it doesn't even count. It's a different Discord server. I swear, if I
Okay, caution,
Oh,
caution.
he got. What was that? What was that?
what just
What was that?
What was that? Okay, I'm glad I'm recording this. Oh, thank goodness I'm recording the most scuff race ever. How are you going faster than me?
Because I'm fast.
I'm stuck at
I'm
80 miles
Sonic.
an hour.
Oh! Oh! Black Rifle Coffee Company, number 42, takes the lead because one of them was driving backwards
No,
and
dude, it's
deserves
a
to be
caution.
banned for
It's
life.
literally a caution, dude.
And I am first.
No, you're not.
It's a caution.
We should just leave. This isn't a good race.
Yeah, this is a
Yes, it is.
shady
Yes, it
race.
is.
This is terrible.
How about
I'm
we
gonna
say
leave.
that this
I'm
was
gonna go
No,
play
don't
Risk
leave, don't leave, don't leave.
Universalis.
Okay, I'll actually. Or why
I'm
you
gonna go
leave?
play Risk Universalis.
No, don't leave.
This is terrible.
Don't leave.
I'm gonna leave.
Ah!
Everybody line up and watch to get going. Okay.
Oh,
Okay. I am lined up.
Okay, I'll speed behind you so always my car
Oh.
will accelerate.
Get lined up.
It's the most
Funny,
scuff
Ray.
race ever.
You're not being funny. Nobody's laughing.
eat my
Okay.
spoiler.
This is the worst race ever.
I'm just gonna line up.
Check my balls.
What are you doing? Stop. Stop.
Excuse me. This is my spot. Again.
10.
Then
Everyone go on this one. 8, 7,
Run.
6, 5,
5,
4,
4,
3,
3,
2,
2.
1,
You-
go.
Anyone got Xbox? Anyone play Rainbow Six Siege?
No.
Sure.
Nope. I'm gonna stay at the top and try.
Are we gonna count this as a
Bro,
real
Ray
race?
boy, stop trying to wreck me.
It depends. Forza said
Yeah,
he
stop trying to
wanted
rape
it
him,
is.
bro.
It is a real. It is a real race, but you
Forza
don't count it.
want-
Like this
Forza
will
want
be
me to send
points.
him. It's gonna be on a different Discord server though.
So
Forza
this
wanted to
won't
send
count
him
as like the
something.
actual Indy race.
Yes, it is.
Who did that?
Well, this is official. Like it's
Someone-
not like funny scuffed.
It's
Who was that?
who seriously? Who did that? Oh, they're also cutting. The person
Who's
that
cutting?
I think it's Ray.
Yeah, I think Ray
I'm
was
not. I
Ray,
wasn't
me and Ray are
cutting.
racing. Yeah.
cutting. Then,
I don't know who it is then.
Whoever. Okay.
I'm in
who's
a
you?
black and white car.
Well, someone just like wiped me out and it's cutting. So,
I'm not.
who is that then?
It was the Golden Sox guy.
Oh, Golden Sox. Okay. Just
Who's
like,
that?
I don't know. Say, hey, Golden, stop cutting and like follow the rules.
No.
He's in the. They're all in VC. I just flipped caution.
Oh, caution.
Caution is out, my Nigerians.
Well, how am I lap 30?
So funny, Among Us.
Oh, what the?
That's peak comedy.
Ben. Yes. No.
I just saw somebody
Who's
cut off the
going
pit
through-
road. What are y'all
Who's
doing?
going through pit lane? Yeah, that someone's actually like messing with us.
You're messing with bruh. Why is Zach in first place?
Because I'm built different.
Nah, bro, I am built differently.
No, I'm built.
Ha 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 ha
Wait, what was
ha.
that?
God, it's stuck in fourth. It's
Bro,
broken.
Who is that
passing
lap
the
31?
wall.
Oh no! The Indy car! It's
I'm
broken!
fixing it. I'm fixing it. I'm fixing
I
it.
can do it.
I know. I got it.
Your mom got it.
Everyone
Host.
lap 30.
Host. Here.
Everyone's lap 30. I
Good
beat
one.
you. Beat you, zombie.
Okay, this is fair.
Bro,
Why
Ray
is
boy,
my car
stop.
stuck in neutral?
I'm gonna kick you in 3. Okay.
Ban Ray.
Apparently there's like engine blowouts. I think.
Oh, that happens? Okay.
I guess. I don't know. Because people's car keep getting stuck in neutral.
Yeah.
The Pepsi car.
Who's that?
Oh, they seriously race though. We have 10 laps. Just seriously race.
Come on, start.
Hold up.
No,
Hold up.
I can do it. I can do it.
No,
Sweet.
no.
Countdown. Okay, nope. Okay.
Take a turn back time. To the good old days.
Formula
No,
One.
no
When
singing,
Mom
no
was
sing-alongs.
saying us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. I like how all of our little splitters are like over the finish line.
I know. Who did that? Okay, Ray.
Ray, let off. Ray, let off. Ray, let off.
For how many seconds?
I don't
Now,
know. Just
keep going.
42.
Yes, until we all pass you. Until we lap you. That's not.
What?
How am I the only one that got slowed down from that?
because it's vision lag. There's like really bad vision lag.
How am I the only one that got slowed down from that, though?
Carvana.
Yes.
Damn! He's going fast.
Oh, there's a caution already?
No, there's not a caution.
Then why does I see... Oh, okay, it's green. Okay,
We're not gonna catch it. Indy cars are not a good series.
Yeah, this is not working out
Indy cars are shit.
This is not working
They
out well.
need better Indy cars.
Nah, really, Ray?
Bum 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 boom. Bum 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 bum.
Oh, I flipped.
Nice. Okay,
Ah,
come
that
on.
sucks.
Bozo.
Rip Bozo.
Yep. Okay.
Everybody back off. Everybody come back.
Smoking that back watch. Bozo.
Come back. Everybody
You're
come
still-
back, dude.
Everyone
Don't
Question:
not-
not,
Who is
don't not
ironic?
do another lap. Stop doing another
Unironically a
lap.
furry.
Stop
That's
doing another
just
lap.
disgusting.
Everyone's on lap 32. Okay.
Oh, stop. Don't mess with it.
I'm gonna do another lap.
No. Oh my god.
Okay, so there's a few things that need to be fixed before this works out. Alright, if I see
Everything's...
anyone pass
Bro,
me...
you just did
Getting
another
paid,
lap. Oh my god.
Oh!
Pepsi. Ray, no.
Excuse me,
Excuse
sir.
me, that's my spot. Excuse me,
No, I'm...
it's my spot.
Bro, stop doing
Excuse
laps.
me. Shut the hell up, bitch! This is not your spot. Get to
Yes,
the back
it
of the
is.
bus. Get to the back of the bus.
Whoa,
Fine,
whoa,
I will
whoa,
get to the
whoa.
front.
I'm about to
gonna
turn
do
you into
this.
Rosa Parks.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Chill, chill, chill.
I'm gonna turn you into Hogwarts.
Dance if you hate furries.
Dance?
You know that the owner is a furry, right?
Alright, okay,
Excuse me, that's my spot. Excuse me, that's my spot, zombie.
all laps. 33.
No, I got it.
Okay.
Stop trying to mess with it.
I'm just trying to
Please. Oh, actually, no. I know. Sorry. Just
You're
please stop
You're
messing with
good.
it.
Alright. If you need
Hold
help, I
on.
can
There's
help.
something. Hold on. There's something like wrong with the thing because it's like glitched out.
Oh, which thing?
The
There's a
no, the
lot.
the laps. It won't show the leaderboard anymore for some reason.
Oh. Oh.
Whatever. No, somebody. Actually, we're good. We're good. Just go. Okay. Let me do the
Okay.
countdown.
Alright, go.
Whatever. I can just send Brian the raw footage. Two, one. Okay, who's going? Who started? Like 30. Number 30 started before. That's fine.
I let off.
Okay, you're good. You're good.
How is that car so fast?
I'm gonna just like stay on top so I don't get wiped out. Okay, those.
Hell,
are
dude,
you
it's
guys
like
cutting?
Jackson Storm.
Are you guys cutting?
Oh!
Get wrecked.
Why'd you
Oh,
put me on
God.
the inside, Ray boy?
Oh no. Oh no.
I didn't.
Yes, you did. You just hit me.
Dude, it's the visual lag.
Can
The
someone?
visual lag.
Alright, caution, guys. Caution.
How is the furry so fast?
Guys, caution,
There's no
caution, caution,
furry.
caution.
Yes, there is. That's F31
Guys,
3
That's Budgie.
R2D2 friggin'
Friend.
Bro, you are Pepsi.
I'm Peepus.
Why are y'all still going? Oh my god.
Okay.
We do a little trolling.
Does anyone here play Risk Universalis?
Shut.
Yes.
You should kill yourself then.
Yes.
No, I actually don't. Caution.
There was already a
Mama,
caution.
just suck at
Guys,
this game.
caution,
It's not
guys,
caution,
stop,
sorry.
guys.
And I'm first again. Let's freaking go. I'm first. Actually, yeah, good
I
question.
don't know.
Okay, everyone's laps are gonna get reset, so. This is very.
Cool
strict,
beans.
right?
Bet.
Like every
Cool
lap is a
beans.
caution.
Bloody hell.
Like every single lap there's a caution for some reason.
He probably
Just go like
shifts.
that.
That's probably how he gets up through the gears so fast.
How do you shift?
I have to put it on manual.
Shift mouse control. Oh.
Mm.
Wait, you can do that?
Oh.
No, I just said you could do it for no reason.
No.
How do you put it in
Somehow.
manual?
Now work out.
Just look at controls.
There's two
I am-
AMGs.
L-Y.
Transmission control.
Now flash you. No.
Okay.
No. Oh, what's that? Okay.
I'm gonna do the countdown.
Golden socks. Can you not?
Not what?
You were doing yeah. If someone was thinking of your sounds, I think it was doing BC. Who's Eldrin?
Eldrin.
Erdin. Who's Erdin? They just sent me a friend request. Oh, golden socks.
Excuse me.
You guys are gonna wipe out because you're so close together. Among Us car. Is that Among Us car? Oh, I'm gonna do first person POV racing.
Hold on, I got a Snapchat notification.
Oh,
Texting
no.
and driving.
Oh no. I should do that too.
Hold on.
Oh, dude, first person is so lit.
One sec,
Okay,
who's
well,
texting?
laps are broken, so...
Oh. No, that's not me. Okay, who's listening to music? I can hear it. Wait, was that what? Oh my god. Wait, we haven't had a caution in one lap? What?
Holy! Oh, I wrecked. Oops.
Oh, caution? Or did you say
Nah, I'm just gonna go play Risk.
Oh,
Because this
have fun.
sucks.
Have fun, yeah.
Well, trust me, the races with, like, the block cars are actually better than this.
Yeah, they're better.
Yeah.
They're 1,000 times better.
I mean,
Alright, I'm gonna go.
When they don't lag, they're awesome, but...
As he dives it down into the corner!
Dude, these cars have sunroofs. Not sunroofs, they have, like, open roofs.
Don't come down, Budgie, don't come down. I'm on your inside. Vision lag shows me not on your inside, but I'm on your inside. Do not come down. Do not come down.
Among Us car, why you slip? No!
And I died. Budgie, I told you not to come down.
Okay, caution.
Yep. We're just gonna do 2-lap shootout, and then whoever wins that wins that. No more cautions from this point on.
Yeah, do you guys just want to call it a tie for all of us to get the same amount of points?
No.
Oh.
No more. Actually, no more. Okay, no, hold on. Listen. Forza wants me to finish this race because I bet he needs it for points.
Yeah.
So from this point on, no more cautions. If you wreck, you wreck. I'm sorry,
Alright.
because I'll probably end up wrecking also. And it's just gonna be a 2-lap shootout. Change.
I don't know what that means, but okay.
And the board broke. So we will do 2 laps, and then after those 2 laps, the race will be over.
Alright.
Budgie, come back here.
I think we should let the Forza do it next time because now it really is bad.
No, Forza can't host.
Yeah, but like tomorrow.
And we're not doing a race. Well, I'm not even in Indy. I'm just doing this for fun because I'm like, I don't have anything else to do, so. Okay.
Also,
let me do the countdown.
lag.
Alright,
Lag.
countdown. Yeah, so I'll just send Brian the raw footage. And
Help. I'm lagging.
6, 5, 4,
No.
3. Oh, don't go? Come on.
Don't. I'm lagging.
No, we're
I
going.
haven't.
Okay, I guess we're going.
Okay.
Have fun.
My game probably crashed.
Okay, who's cutting?
I didn't cut. I Budgie was on and I died.
Oh, that's gonna be the
I
thumbnail.
can't see anything because my game is frozen. But I'm driving anyway. So now I got my. Okay, now I need one more lap and then I'm done.
Alright. Oh, wait, is it 40 or 41?
This is the last lap.
Okay.
Okay.
I guess you can count
and
this as a win, Budgie, but I wouldn't.
I got it.
It's not.
I
It's 4
finished.
different series.
I finished.
No, there's only two. It's 2 different leagues.
No, it's 4 different
Guys,
series. There's different
I went
races.
over
No,
the
it's
finish
2 different
line.
leagues.
Oh, is it? Okay, who's going backwards?
Doesn't matter. The race is over. Budgie won.
Alright,
Fuck
GG.
you, Budgie.
GG.
Incarnation second. Me third. Ray last.
Okay, wait, I was last, but that's because my game lagged and you said go and you didn't give a fuck, so I hate you. Go jump off a cliff. Just kidding.
Wow. Ban. Ah! Okay, I'm gonna end the... Alright, that was very scuffed.